Upgrading your car stereo just got easier with the Scosche double-din dash kit. If you're looking to install a new aftermarket stereo in your vehicle's factory location, this dash kit is designed precisely for that purpose. It fits double-din stereos with a maximum screen size of 3 and 13/16 by 6 and 13/16, 96. 8 mm by 173 mm, ensuring your new system looks like it belongs. What sets this dash kit apart is its precision engineering. The fit is gapless, so there's no awkward spacing between the dash and the kit itself. Plus, the color and texture perfectly match your factory dash, keeping your car's interior looking clean and cohesive. It's a subtle upgrade that makes a big difference in appearance. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly. You won't need any special tools to get the job done. The kit comes with clear, step-by-step instructions, so even if you're not a professional installer, you can feel confident in handling the upgrade yourself. That saves you time and the cost of professional installation. Scosche brings over 40 years of experience in creating high-quality, affordable car stereo accessories. Their commitment to quality means you're getting a product designed to meet strict standards. They don't just sell you a dash kit, they back it with a limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind that your investment is protected. On top of the warranty, Scosche offers lifetime tech support. This means their knowledgeable team is always ready to help you with any questions or issues you might face, for as long as you own the product. That kind of ongoing support is rare and valuable when upgrading your vehicle's electronics. Customers consistently praise this dash kit for its perfect fit and easy installation. One satisfied user mentioned how well it fit their 2013 Santa Fe Sport 2.0, highlighting the kit's reliability across various models. If you want a smooth, factory-like upgrade, this dash kit is worth a look. If you're ready to enhance your car stereo setup without hassle or guesswork, the Scosche double-din dash kit delivers what you need. It combines precision fit, factory-matched aesthetics, and trusted support in one package. Try it when you're ready to make your stereo upgrade seamless and stylish.